Okay, so I thought we could practice a meditation together today. And this meditation is called Just Like Me. And this meditation called Just Like Me is from the work of Mirabai Bush. And it's kind of from the Metta Bhavana school of meditation learning, mindfulness learning. And it helps to kind of make us realize that we're really the same underneath everything as other people. And it helps us cultivate friendliness towards each other, towards other people. And it just kind of brings us that sense of connection to another being. So I hope you can join me and do it now. And if not, you can do it on the replay later. So you begin by just taking a nice comfortable seat. So this is how we begin all of our metta practices. We extend friendliness towards our own bodies. So you take a comfortable seat and you have the back supported and upright in its natural curves. But you can also do these practices lying down, reclining, walking along, driving in your car. These are contemplations. These are mindfulness practices. They're great if you're having trouble sleeping or if you're doing the washing up, doing other things in your day. And regular practice of them really, really helps to kind of cultivate this metta, this loving kindness, this friendliness towards yourself, towards people you love, towards people you don't know, like complete strangers. And then it extends to just being able to feel and have some empathy and compassion to people that you maybe don't like very much, and people who are different from you. So I think this practice of metta is really needed right now. And this is a really, really good practice. If you can do in-person practices, then it's also nice to do this practice sitting face to face with someone. It can be quite intense. We look into each other's eyes, but you don't have to look into each other's eyes. You could maybe look at spots on the forehead. But you can also do this on your own, imagining that you're inviting someone into your meditation space or your heart space. So that's how we begin. We take a comfortable seat, we find ease in our bodies, and then we can close our eyes or we can just glance down and we start to tune into the breathing. So I invite you now to just take a comfortable seat wherever you are. If you can spare a few minutes at work or, just save this for later. Take a few breaths. And so once we've found ease in the body, friendliness to our bodies, we're going to find some ease in the breath. So invite some ease of breathing. You don't have to breathe super deeply. You don't have to do a special breath performance, but invite some ease into this breath. Invite the breath to come and nourish your body. Notice if there's any restriction. Maybe you've got some clothes that are a bit tight and you can loosen them off for this practice. Just feeling the breath work its magic through the whole of the system. Just being really aware of that invitation of the beauty of the breath. Finding ease in the breath. And then you can just invite someone into your meditation space. You can imagine that there is someone that is sitting in front of you now in your meditation space, or you can invite them into your heart space. You bring them in, invite this person in. Any person, a person you know, you can start easy. Invite someone who you already love, and there's no problem with, and you invite them in. It's a fellow human being. And you're just going to silently repeat the phrases. Just like me, this person has a body and a mind. Just like me, this person has a body and a mind. Just like me, this person has feelings, thoughts, and emotions. Just like me, this person has feelings, thoughts, and emotions. Just like me, this person has experienced difficulty in their physical body or their emotions in their life. Just like me, this person has experienced difficulty in their physical body or in their emotional well-being in their lives. Just like me, this person has been sad. Just like me, this person has been sad. Just like me, this person has been disappointed in life. Just like me, this person has been disappointed in their life. Just like me, this person has been angry. Just like me, this person has been angry in their lives. Just like me, this person has been disappointed in life. Just like me, this person has been disappointed in life. Just like me, this person has felt unworthy or inadequate at times during their life. Just like me, this person has felt unworthy or inadequate in life at times. Just like me, this person worries. Just like me, this person worries. Just like me, this person gets frightened sometimes. Just like me, this person gets frightened sometimes. Just like me, this person will die at some point. Just like me, this person will die at some point. Just like me, this person has longed for friendship. Just like me, this person has longed for friendship. Just like me, this person is learning about life. Just like me, this person is learning about life. Just like me, this person wants to be caring and kind to others. Just like me, this person wants to be caring and kind to others. Just like me, this person wants to be content with what life has given. Just like me, this person wants to be content with what life has given. Just like me, this person wants to be free from suffering and pain. Just like me, this person wants to be free from suffering and pain. Just like me, this person wants to be happy. Just like me, this person wants to be happy. Just like me, this person wants to be safe, strong, and healthy. Just like me, this person wants to be safe, strong, and happy. Just like me, this person wants to be loved. Just like me, this person wants to be loved. Now just take some moments for some well-being wishes to come, and wishing them, that person in front of you, strength, resources, and social supports to get through any difficulties in your life. I wish you the strength, resources, social and emotional support you need to navigate the difficult situations in your life with ease. I wish that you'll be free from pain and suffering. I wish that you can be free from pain and suffering. I wish that you'll be peaceful and happy. I wish that you can be peaceful and happy. I wish that you'll be loved because you're a fellow human being, just like me. I wish that you'll be loved because you're a fellow human being, just like me. And now, bringing your hands to your hearts and ending the practice, however you feel is right for you now. Just setting an intention to practice. If you want to continue with this practice, you can try to offer this to different people, difficult people, friends, family, loved ones, strangers, people you've never met. And I hope that it helps. It helps break the barriers that we have between people, which are all imaginary, and that we're learning more and more. We're fed this separation stuff, this us and them, who is different from us, who is our enemy. We're learning that all the time in one ear. So the other side, we need to be learning all the stuff that brings us together, all the things that make us the same, our humanity. Even if we're not all human beings together on the earth, how to look after each other as beings all over, all realms of existence. So I hope that serves you well, and just drop me comments if you had some effect from it. Even if you practice it a few times, you can get back to me, you can discuss anything. I'd love to hear from you. And yeah, have a really good day. Take care.